Hello and welcome to another commercial property shoot, and today we are at CPR Arcade in HSR. Now this property has a super built up area of a whopping 95,000 square feet. Yup, that's right, 95,000 square feet with an efficiency rate of 78%. This property includes a basement, ground floor, 3 upper floors, and a terrace, providing ample space and flexibility for businesses of all sizes. This is fully furnished, so you can move in with ease without any hassle of additional setup. Talking about the location, it is located right between the IT corridor of Sarjapur and the bustling startup hub of HSR Layout in Harlur, offering unmatched connectivity. Healthcare is just around the corner with Manipal Hospital 2.3 kilometers away and Apollo Clinic 6.8 kilometers away. And when it comes to business hubs, HSR Layout is just 5.2 kilometers drive. Koramangala, known for its vibrant work culture, is only 9.7 kilometers away, and BTM Layout is just 8.8 kilometers.
This is the ground floor, and upon entering, you'll find a welcoming reception area with a front desk and waiting lounge featuring ample seating arrangement to create a great first impression for your visitors. Additionally, there are 5 meeting rooms of 3 packs, a well-equipped space for both work and welcome. As you enter, you'll see a library lounge area offering a change of scenery from your regular desk work. To the right, you have your collaborative space where you can relax, recharge, or take a break when needed.
The ground floor offers 146 linear workstation ideal for all team sizes. And of course, a pantry where you can recharge yourself during the day.
We are on the first floor, and on this floor you get 340 workstations for your team to collaborate. Also, you get multiple one-on-one meeting pods for small team collaboration. Now, the floor plate size from first up till third floor is approximately 25,000 square feet, and the layout for first, second and third floor is the same.
This will be a common lift lobby with separate entry and exit. You get access to 2 elevators and a staircase. You have 2 sets of washroom on each floor for both males and females, and an accessible toilet with it. One of the standout features of this property is the stunning glass facade, which allows tons of natural light flooding every corner of the space.
With its thoughtfully designed layout and overall functionality, this is a perfect home for your growing business.
To experience CPR Arcade firsthand, schedule a visit and reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Until next time.